Distractions are the key way, the best way to fail at a business, fail at whatever you're trying to do.
Okay. And we live.
Hey leaders, I'm Jahan Hadi. I'm an entrepreneur that's built multiple successful businesses. If you want to learn how to become a successful leader, come with me and I'll show you how. What's up leaders? I'm Jahan Hadi. Today I'm going to teach you how to make $100 to $1,000 in one day. It's really simple. Get all your shit in your house and start selling it. Super simple. Right now we got all of our stuff and actually we're donating a whole bunch of stuff. You want to show all of them that stuff?
Yeah.
We have like $4,000 worth of clothes. Actually more than 4,000, right?
Yep.
Like at least 4,500 or so worth of clothes. And we're donating all of it. And we actually have a lot more stuff that we're donating. If we had the time, we'd actually be selling it all, but it's really not worth it for us for the time, for the exchange of how much we would get for how much time it would take to meet up with everyone, sell the products, sell the clothes and everything. Yeah. But it's great for people that are starting out, because if you're starting out and you don't have any money, you have, like, look around your house. You have tons of crap that you don't use ever. And really think about it. Like, what do you use every single day? What do you actually need to make money, make a business, build something successful, build something that's actually meaningful in your life? And keep that stuff. Get rid of everything else. Literally everything. We got rid of literally anything that doesn't help us in our business. Ooh, let's tip it. Oh, that's a nice car.
I know.
Look at that car.
I know.
Show them that car. Show them the car. Look at the plates. Looks so nice. Oh, we have to turn here. So yeah, the stuff that you have, just gather it up, figure out everything that you want to get rid of, and it should be like 90% of everything you have, because 90% of everything you have you're not going to use. You're going to have, like, how many pairs of clothes for women? How many?
I say 20.
Yeah, like
20 max
20 pairs of clothes for women, and for guys.
No, not pair.
Pairs. What do you mean?
Like 10 pair of clothes.
10 pair of clothes. Okay.
20 items.
20 pieces of clothing.
Yeah.
So that's literally all you need for an entire year, at least. That's all you need. Get rid of everything else, because it's just wasting your time. Every morning, figure out how much time you waste, because I guarantee you waste so much time just figuring out your clothes. Like for women, she used to spend like at least half an hour to an hour a day. Yeah. Sometimes even more, just wasting that time rather than focusing on doing something that's going to benefit or success, like bring her success. She would waste time on picking out what she wants to wear, which has no correlation to success, as long as you don't have stuff that looks like you're homeless. You just look above average or average and you're fine. Like, look at
presentable. Yeah,
presentable.
Yeah.
Look at Mark Zuckerberg. He wears like a sweatshirt every single day, same one. He doesn't waste time thinking about, oh, what am I gonna wear this day? What am I gonna wear that day? Like, he just has one piece of clothes. Well, he probably has a whole bunch of those sweatshirts, but it's the same one, so he doesn't have to worry about anything. For me, I don't even pick out my clothes. She does. She picks out all of my clothes for me. What I do is I just put it on and then I'm done. That's it. Every single day. Now, if you're a guy and you don't have someone to pick the clothes out for you, and you don't want to waste time picking the clothes out yourself, get like 5 pairs of clothes max. Like, all you need is a shirt. If you wear a vest, get 3 vests, 3 shirts. For pants, you should probably get like 5 pairs. There you go. You're done. And make sure they're all the same color or very close to color. So very close to the same color. So they'll all have the same kind of match. So
it makes match will be better and way easier for you. If you just have like blue, I just pick out black and blue for him, and it match with every shirt that he has. So.
Exactly. Like, all my clothes are either black or blue.
Yeah.
Well, almost everything. But I don't know what I wear most days. I just put it on and then I don't waste time thinking about it in the morning. I literally spend like 30 seconds looking at my clothes in the morning as I'm putting it on, and that's it. That's it. I'm done. Completely done after that. Don't waste time thinking about what you're going to actually wear. Don't waste time doing things that are not actually benefiting or helping you in your success or your future, because you're just going to be losing money and losing time to gain that success. Like, you're going to be wasting your time to gain that success, and rather than focusing, you're going to be distracted. Distractions are the key way, the best way to fail at a business, fail at whatever you're trying to do. Now, failure is not a problem, but when you're failing because you're distracted, that is a huge issue, because you're never going to succeed if you don't learn. And if you continue being distracted, you're not going to learn. Failures are amazing when you learn from them, but when you don't learn from them, you're not benefiting yourself, you're not growing in any way, you're not improving in any way, and therefore you're not actually going to gain anything out of it. So get rid of distractions, figure out what you want to do, focus on that, and consistently focus on that over and over and over again. I do 3 things. My advertising agency, my advertising agency, our course company for education. We have an education company as well. And you know what else I do? Nothing. That's it. Like, I don't think about or worry about what am I gonna wear. I don't think about or worrying about what am I gonna eat. I don't think about or worry about anything else. That is my main focus. I don't waste time playing video games. Well, some people that is actually their career, which is fine. But whatever you're gonna do, focus on that. If you wanna do something, figure out what you wanna do first and focus on that. I said 3 things and I only actually do 2. Oh, actually no, I do have a hobby of like driving cars, but that's not really like a focus, anything I focus on. That's like occasionally. But anyways.
Still hobby.
Yeah.
Still do it.
Yeah, so figure out what you like doing and get rid of everything else. Figure out what's gonna benefit you or help you. Like for example, driving helps me relieve stress. But yeah, figure out what you wanna do with your life. Figure out what's gonna benefit you, what's gonna help you, what's gonna improve your life, and only focus on that. Don't get distracted by other stuff. It's not gonna help you if you get distracted. You're not gonna grow and improve if you get distracted. And when you start building a business, fail. Like, learn to love to fail, because failure is not an issue. Learn to learn from your mistakes. Don't just do the same thing over and over again. If you make a mistake, learn from it, improve it, and then grow from it. And then next time you'll make a different mistake, and then grow from that. Next time you'll make a different mistake, grow from that. But eventually, you'll start learning what does work and what doesn't work. And the stuff that does work, you just keep doing more of that. And then the stuff that doesn't work, you just stop doing that. Obviously, that's basically all it comes down to when it comes to succeeding at something. Whether it's YouTube or building a business or literally anything. It's consistency and learning from your mistakes. If you want to make money, if you're starting off, just sell all your stuff. Sell whatever you don't need. Get rid of every distraction. Get rid of anything that's not benefiting you, not helping you. Put it on OfferUp. Put it on Craigslist. Yeah. Put it on Craigslist. Put it on OfferUp. Get rid of every single thing that's distracting you and wasting your time, and focus only on the stuff that matters. Focus only on your business. Focus only on your passions. Focus only on what's going to improve and bring you closest to your end goal. Figure out what your end goal is. Figure out where you are in your life right now. Figure out where you want to be in your life later, and just learn how to get there as fast as possible with getting rid of all of the distractions as much as possible. For some people, it's not possible for them to get rid of every distraction because, like for example, one of my distractions was my family. I got rid of them. I don't talk to them very much anymore. Like, I barely have anything to do with my family because they were not helping me succeed or improve in any way. Therefore, I got rid of them. A lot of people, they can't do that. I understand that. But if you want to get rid of your distractions and you actually want to succeed, learn to do that as much as you possibly can. And then once you learn how to do that, that's when you'll really start to grow and improve in your life, and how you'll really start to grow and succeed in whatever your goals are. So I really appreciate you guys watching this video. If you did like it, go ahead and comment down below. If you have any other questions, hit the like button, and go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this, more videos about entrepreneurship, more videos about business, more videos about making money online. I talk about all that stuff on my channel, so make sure to hit the bell notification as well to make sure to see all of those videos as soon as I post it. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you next time.
Bye!
Oh, okay, that works.